I want to ask this question to all the Nigerians. Where is nnamdi Kanu, Nigerians? Number one question that I want to ask Nigerians. Who are the people that sponsored Boko Haram and the Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians since 2009? Who are the people that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria since 2009? Bombing churches. Since 2009, they have been slaughtering people in Nigeria. I want to ask I want to ask all the Nigerians, is it nnamdi Kanu that are sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria? I want to ask Nigerians this question. Is it nnamdi Kanu? Is it him that has sponsored Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria? God Almighty will show us mercy in this wicked country. Where are those people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians since 2009? Those people are working. Una know the lesson. Now nnamdi Kanu that is fighting his freedom. Una arrest this man because he is talking about Biafra. If nnamdi Kanu is supporting Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria, una know the lesson. If nnamdi Kanu, maybe nnamdi Kanu follow for the group that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria, Nigeria government will not arrest him. But they arrest him because he is talking about Biafra. All the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria, Nigeria government are not arresting them. We are living in a wicked country. We are living in a wicked generation. Nigerians, where is nnamdi Kanu? I want to ask Nigerians, is it nnamdi Kanu is sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria? Nigeria, is it nnamdi Kanu? I want to know whether he's the one that's sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria. Bible said that we shall know the truth, and the truth shall set us free. That let this innocent man, because he's talking about Biafra. He's talking about Biafra, Nigeria government arrests him. But all the people that are sponsoring Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria, they are not arresting them. All the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram, they are not arresting them. But they arrest this man because this man is an Igbo man. Honest Igbo. You people are a disgrace to Igbos. Honest Igbo. Go to the north. You will see some of the northerners. They are sponsoring Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen. We go and meet them. And if Nigeria government want to harm Fulani herdsmen, they will come out to defend Fulani herdsmen. But Honest Igbo will not stand up to defend nnamdi Kanu. Honest Igbo will not come out to defend Ndi Igbo. I know a wicked generation. Because Honest Igbo, they have sold their birthright. Honest Igbo have sold their birthright. That is why, even if Honest Igbo said Nigeria government should release nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria government will not listen to them. Why? Because they have sold their birthrights. Who are the people that sponsored Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram in Nigeria? Is it nnamdi Kanu? I want to know if nnamdi Kanu is the one that is sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. Why this country? Why people are wicked? All of them, all the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring them, they will not arrest them. How many people that Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen have been slaughtered in this country, Nigeria? And who are the politicians that are sponsoring them? Have Nigeria government arrested those people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria? They arrest nnamdi Kanu because nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man. Because nnamdi Kanu is talking about Biafra. They arrest him because he is an Igbo man. Because nnamdi Kanu is talking about Biafra. But all the Boko Haram, all the people, all the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring Boko Haram, that is slaughtering Christians in Nigeria, slaughtering police, slaughtering army, that sometimes Boko Haram and foreign herdsmen will shut down fighter jets. All the abomination they are doing in Nigeria, Nigeria government will not move on to arrest all the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring them. But there's nnamdi Kanu, because nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man, because nnamdi Kanu we talk about Biafra. Tell me the sin that nnamdi Kanu have committed in Nigeria. Tell me, Nigeria, I want to ask Nigeria this question. Who are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani men that are slaughtering Christians since 2009? Is it nnamdi Kanu? After me to Nigeria, nnamdi Kanu now sponsor Boko Haram and Fulani men in Nigeria? Will you people tell me that you people don't know that our politicians, they are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani men in Nigeria? I want to know the sin that Nigerian politicians, they commit, and the sin that nnamdi Kanu is committing. I want to know the one who passed. Nigeria, who are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria? Who are the people that are sponsoring Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria? Is it nnamdi Kanu? Is it nnamdi Kanu? I want to ask. Or nnamdi Kanu not sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria? I want to ask. Is it him? And do you people know the people that are sponsoring them? How many times have you people arrested all the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria since 2009? May God Almighty have mercy in this generation. We are living in a wicked country and we are living in a wicked generation. Because nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man. Because nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man, because he's talking about Biafra, they arrest him. They don't want to release him because he's talking about Biafra, but all the Nigerians. God Almighty will deliver the Igbos. God Almighty will deliver the Igbos from what we are passing through in this country, Nigeria. God Almighty will have mercy upon this generation, wicked generation. We are living in a wicked generation. We are living in a wicked generation. May God Almighty show mercy upon us